Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jessia here, your social science teacher. I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. The last class, I told you to read the textbook. Did you read the textbook? Hope everybody read and learned the portion. The last session, we discussed about diversity in India. Then today, we will discuss about historical and geographical features of Ladakh in India. We know that India is a rich of diversity. In order to find out diversity in India, we choose two places. One is from mountain area and another one is from coastal region. That means we choose Ladakh and Kerala. Today we will discuss about historical and geographical features of Ladakh in detail. Do you know where is Ladakh situated? Ladakh is situated in eastern part of the Jammu and Kashmir. Now it is a union territory. When is it declared as a union territory? In August 2019, the Parliament of India passed an act by which Ladakh became a union territory on 31st October 2019. Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir, and it is a cold desert. Do you know what is cold desert? Cold desert are found in high, flat areas called plateaus or mountainous areas in temperate regions of the world. Like other types of desert, cold desert get very little rainfall. But owing to the high altitude, the air is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. That means one can experience freezing winds and intense sunlight at the same time. That is why Ladakh is covered in snow for a large part of the year. Then, what about agriculture in Ladakh? Very little agriculture is possible in Ladakh. It is because this region does not receive any rainfall, and at the same time it is covered in snow for a large part of the year. Besides, there are very few trees that can grow in this region. If there is not enough rainfall in Ladakh, how people get water, especially during summer months? People depend on the melting snow for drinking water during the summer months. Quite interesting, right? We already discussed that very little agriculture is possible in this region. That means agriculture is not the way for their livelihood. Then what will they do? The next option is herding of animals. People here domesticating sheep and goats. The goats in this region are very special because they produce pashmina wool. They know that as it is a cold desert, there will be high demand for woolen cloths. Then the people carefully collect the wool of the goats and sell this to traders from Kashmir. Then the Kashmiris know how to make pashmina shawls. Yes, it is a famous item not only in India but also in international market. This is the way they earn money for their livelihood. Let's discuss about the food habits of people living in Ladakh. We already discussed that very little agriculture is possible here in this region. So, people mainly eat meat and milk products like cheese and butter. That's why each family owns some goats, cows and does also. Does means yak cows. Is that only thing they can do? No. Luckily, Ladakh is situated in a place which is a good trade route and it is connecting Tibet and India. as it is a good trade route. People in Ladakh getting some of the trading items from traders. And the traders also purchase wools and pashmina shawls from there. That is the way they manage their trading activities in Ladakh. Then one of the another important feature of Ladakh is Buddhism. Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh. That is why Ladakh is also called Little Tibet. Besides Buddhism, Muslim region also significant in Ladakh. These two groups love each other and stay together in Ladakh. Ladakh also has a very rich oral traditions of songs and poems. And at the same time, the local versions of the Tibetan national epic, Kesar Saga, are performed and sung by both Muslims and Buddhists in Ladakh. From all these, we can understand the geographical and historical features of Ladakh. Next class, we will discuss about geographical and historical features of Kerala in detail. I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. Children, don't forget to read the textbook daily. And also note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and the test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.